Alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. What is the statement of alternate segment theorem? Now we are discussing with the help of diagram. Listen carefully. It is a circle with center O. Observe. One of the basic result useful to prove this theorem. That basic result is, take a arc AB. Arc AB makes an angle at the center is called central angle. The central angle is 100 degrees. Then what is the angle made by the same arc at remaining part of the circle? So remaining part of the circle I am taking here. Here I am taking C point. Here I am taking D point. So what is the angle made by the remaining part of the circle? Suppose this arc AB subtended an angle at the C is how much? At the D is how much? Tell me anyone. The central angle made by arc AB is 100 degrees. Then angle made by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle is half of at the center. Here 100 degrees is there, no? Here 50 degrees, 50 degrees. This is helpful here. And again one more, already in previous class we discussed. What is that? What is the angle between radius and tangent? Angle between radius and tangent at a point of contact is 90 degrees. These two things you must know to understand this proof of this theorem. Okay, this is the circle with center O and PQ is a tangent. PQ is a tangent. Here A is the point of contact. A is the point of contact. From point of contact you draw a card. AB is the card. AB is the card. That card passes through the point of contact. So one end point of the card must be point of contact. What is the meaning of point of contact? That is the point of both circle and on tangent. That is called point of contact. Now, for alternate segment theorem, these are the given statements. What are the given statements? A circle with center O and tangent. PQ is the tangent and the point of contact is A. From A you draw a card. Okay. Now, the angle subtended by the card is equal to the angle between card and tangent. Again I am telling you, listen carefully. The angle between the tangent and card is equal to the angle subtended by a card in its alternate segment. In fact, observe, this AB card divides the circle into two segments. This is a major segment, this is a minor segment. Okay. So this is the angle in which side? Minor segment side. The minor segment alternate segment is a major segment. These two are called alternate segments to each other. So the angle between the tangent and card, the angle between the tangent and card is equal to the angle made by the card AB in its alternate segment. So this is your alternate segment. This is your alternate segment. So anywhere you take a point, suppose you take a point C here. AB subtended is nothing but a from these endpoints join that C it is. So what is your RTP? What is your RTP? Angle BAQ. BAQ is equal to angle ACB. Angle BAQ. This angle is in which side? Minor segment side. Minor segment side. Definitely its alternate segment is major segment. In major segment part on this arc, this remaining arc, anywhere you take a point, not only here, wherever it may be, that is definitely equal to this angle. Okay, when we drawn one tangent and one chord, and one is the common point for both chord and tangent, that is called point of contact. And same thing happens now. See, observe here. It is my major segment side. What is it? It is the angle between the tangent and chord only, no? But this angle is in major segment side. Major segment side. Now you take any point on minor segment side. That is called alternate segment. See here, you take it any point D. Now angle subtended by this chord. Subtended means makes. Subtended అంటే ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ నుంచి ఆ పాయింట్కి ఇలా డ్రా చేస్తే ఈ యాంగిల్ని ఏమంటాం? సబ్టెండెడ్ యాంగిల్ అంటాం. సో దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ యాంగిల్, మీన్స్ యాంగిల్ PAB ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ ADB. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్ when the tangent is given and chord is given and one point is common both tangent and chord. That also must be a point of contact. ఒకవేళ ఇలా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే, డయాగ్రామ్ ఇలా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే, ఒక టాంజెంట్ గివెన్ టాంజెంట్ ఇవ్వాలి, గివెన్ టాంజెంట్ కావాలి, ఇక్కడ chord కావాలి. Point of contact is the one end point of the chord, then the angle between the chord and tangent is equal to the angle made by the same chord in its alternate segment. Alternate segment ante if the angle is in minor segment, its alternate is major segment side. If the angle is in major segment side, its alternate segment is in minor segment side. So this is possible in it. Okay, shall you prove? So given you have known, that's why I didn't write. Okay na? Want to write means write down. What is it given? PQ is tangent, AE is point of contact, and AB is chord. Okay, proof. How can you prove it? Need proof. So I am giving you hint. These are the two concepts very helpful here. These are the concepts helpful here. It is one concept and it is other concept. I will tell you in entire diagram we can finish the proof. Listen carefully. Okay. These applications are very useful in competitive exams. So this is our chord AB now. This is our chord AB now. Just I join OA and OB. It is the construction. OA and OB I joined. Now observe, what is the angle here? Tell me. What is the angle here? Anyone? This is the angle 90 degrees. Okay. Now observe our required angle. You observe. See, this is AB chord, no? This side angle BAQ, let it be X. See, let angle BAQ is equal to X degrees. See, this is the angle, you take it X degrees. Okay. Now angle BAQ, let it be X. Then we have to prove it angle ACB also. X degrees only. Now your task is you have to prove it angle ACB is X degrees. So now try to prove it. See, this is X degrees now. I am asking what is the angle of it? Tell me. The entire angle is 90 degrees. If this is X degrees, this is definitely 90 minus X degrees. Observe, these two are radii only, no? So in a triangle, two sides are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So this is also how much? Two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. This is 90 degrees. Definitely this is 90 minus X degrees. This is also 90 minus X degrees. Fantastic, fantastic. Now sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what is the angle at AOB now? What is the angle at AOB? Angle in triangle AOB. Sum of the three angles 180, no? Angle O plus in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, we need angle O plus at A 90 minus X plus at B 90 minus X is equal to 180. 180 get cancel. Angle O equal to minus x minus 2x. Transpose this side plus 2x. Angle O equal to 2x. So that's why here you got it 2x. From this result, at the center 2x, at any point of the remaining arc is, it is 2x, no? Definitely this is x. So let angle BAQ, x degrees we took, then we got it. I don't want to write that all steps here. Okay, we are preparing for objective, no? So these all steps you write it like this, that is only proof and you are able to do it. So that's why I don't want. We got angle ACB is equal to how much? X degrees. Therefore angle BAQ is equal to angle ACB. Got it very easy. Okay, observe. This angle is x degrees, no? This angle is x degrees, no? This is how much? Because these two are linear pair. Yes, fantastic. Angle BAQ and PAB, these two angles are forms linear pair. These are the all basics you be in 6th class ఉన్నప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నారు. Okay, it is x degrees, it is linear pair, no? So definitely it is 180 minus x degrees. Now observe ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles are 180. Okay, opposite angles are supplementary. If it is x, then definitely angle at D is 180 minus x degrees. So both angles are same. So that's why this is also correct. So this is called alternate segment theorem.